Yo, what's up? So my camera lens protectors came in from my Google Pixel Fold, so I wanted to go ahead and check these out. I'll leave the link down below where you can pick these up. This says premium screen protection, and these are the original. It says right here at the top, Pixel Fold. And so it comes in this packaging right here, made in China. So let's go ahead, without any talking, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It says we get a bunch of wipes in here. We also do get 2 lenses that we can work with. So let's go ahead and take off the back. And right now on my Pixel Fold, I have the matte screen protector on the front. I also have it on the back, but there's nothing protecting the camera lenses. Then on the inside, I have the matte screen protector as well. So I'm gonna get a microfiber cloth. I don't see one next to me, so I might have to use, oh here. It's actually over here on the ground, so I'm gonna wipe off the camera. Then you get your wipes as well, so you get the wet one and the dry one. And let's go ahead and pop these open. This is gonna be the dry one. This is the wet one. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna get my screen lens ready. I have one for backup and then one main one. So clean off the camera lens and get that nice and clean, so that when I'm actually gonna be installing it, there's no dust or dirt that's gonna be going on there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the lens itself protector, and it's stuck to this piece of plastic, but you could peel that right off, and you basically see that it lines up directly to the camera. And so you kind of want to match it up perfect, and there we go. It's really easy to install, and it just kind of, it's like a tempered piece of glass that just aligns directly onto the camera so that it can protect it from getting scratched up. And now you can basically use this device without a case, because the cameras are protected right now. And so and I got the matted screen protector on the back and the front, and so it's going to be a really cool experience now. And I have one extra, so I definitely think this is going to be pretty solid. So if I wanted, I didn't have to put the case on here. I could just rock it naked, because I don't have to worry about it scratching, except for the sides of here. But other than that, it's going to be good. So you have that peace of mind when it comes to using the cameras. Like putting on a flat surface, you won't have to worry about it scratching, because the tempered glass is going to protect it. But hopefully you guys still are here. Make sure you hit the like button if you found this video helpful. I definitely think this is going to be a solid pickup for anybody who has the Google Pixel Fold, if you want to protect the cameras. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about these lens protectors for your camera on the Google Pixel Fold. But if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. Okay, I'll check you guys later. Peace.